What's up, guys? This is your boy Passive Crypto checking in once again. If you watched my last video, I said I was going to have a video log cataloging for one whole week, which is 7 days, to show you guys that I make upwards of 400 to 600 on G. But before I get started, this really would help my channel, which would be if you guys would subscribe by hitting the subscription button and hitting the notification bell. Now I got that out of the way. Let's get it. So far, guys, day one, I'm not doing too good. I missed one of the big game tournaments and another big game tournament. I ended up getting my butt kicked in the second round. So I didn't really get what I wanted to. So right now my strategy basically is just to focus in on the bigger prize pools. This is one of the Explorer leaderboard is one of the bigger prize pools. And the Exploring, you just basically pick 4 dragons and then you just go out and explore it and you get food. Sometimes you get a little honor and sometimes you get a little crystals. But mainly it's just food. You get a food and you get chests. And when I say you get honor and crystals, when you open up these chests, part of the reward sometimes might be 1 or 2 crystals, or maybe 4, or maybe a little honor, or even sometimes you get ONG. It's not a lot. The most I ever got was like 10 ONG out of one of the gold chests. So it's not that much, but it all adds up in the end. So as you can see, the top 3 people all have over 800 ONG. I only have 357 ONG right now. So also, I want you to stay tuned. Stay tuned to the end of the video, because at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how much I've made so far and my ultimate strategy for the rest of the week. My strategy going forth as far as the next 3 days, though, would be to let these gold chests roll over to the next prize pool. So basically, I'm saying after these 2 days and 20 hours expire, I will let my prestige that's in these gold chests count towards the next prize pool. So because I'm pretty sure I have at least 100 on prestige in each of these chests, which will give me 200. So my goal right now is to try and get a 3rd gold chest, which will have at least 100 prestige in there. Excuse me, in there, which would give me a total of 300 prestige, which I will carry over to the very beginning of the prize pool. And my secret strategy that a lot of these top people are doing as well, what they do is they use it as a timing mechanism. So basically, I'm going to beat these dragons that's in the chest, but I'm not going to receive my rewards. I'm going to receive my rewards once this whirls over to 6 days in 20 hours. So once it roll over and this prize pool end, I'm going to open these up right away, like within the first 20 minutes of the new prize week pool. So that way I'll be ahead. Then I'm also at the same time going to time it where I'm out exploring. And I'm going to do it in a way where I will come back from exploring maybe 30 minutes after the new prize pool starts, and then I'll open those chests as well. I'll clear these out. Then the 3 chests that I'll get from exploring for 24 hours, I'll open those up and receive the rewards right away, which would give me a big lead over everybody else. I guarantee you this person right here did the same thing in the previous round. He rolled over some of his chests and then he did the timing mechanism and got this lead. So basically I'm going to do what he did, and hopefully I can keep the lead, which when you're in the first 1 or 2, you get a lot of ONG. As you can see, these 2 guys going to have a lot of ONG if they can keep that spot. So that's going to be my strategy for the next 2 to 3 days, which is to stack up my gold chests and roll them over to the next round and time it where I have 3 more chests coming in as soon as the prize pool reset. Alright, so this is going to be a short video. And also, before I forget, for the Kino wallet, actually just to play the game in general, Ontology and Ontology Blockchain works similar to Ethereum as far as transactions. Ontology Blockchain is way faster than Ethereum, but there is a fee for each transaction. So I would recommend that you have at least a five extra ONG for your transactions, and that would carry you for a long way because the transactions are minimal. I think it's usually like is either 0.01 ONG per transaction or 0.001. I can't remember. Somewhere up in there. You don't really see it. So 5 ONG, you will be able to do a lot of transactions on this platform. And if you follow my other videos, which you can go to my channel and execute a strategy similar to the one I'm implementing, you will easily earn ONG on this platform, and you never have to worry about transaction fees. So an example would be if you were spending 20 ONG on this platform, I would recommend that you transfer over 25 ONG. I hope that makes sense. So let's get back to the HyperDragons. So, alright, so this is the end of the video. I'm going to wrap it up. This is going to be a really short video. So I'm going to wrap it up with you guys seeing my day one total. So this is how much I've made so far. 116 ONG. This is in not my wallet, but on the platform, and I can withdraw it. But I'm going to wait to the end of the week so you guys can see a whole total, and you're going to actually see the last video. You're going to actually see me withdraw from this platform, and it's going to go to my wallet. So let's just see how much I've made so far. 116 is 20 bucks. So far I've made $20, and I got at least another 60. I'm shooting for at least another $60. Don't know I'm gonna make it or not, but that's my goal, to get at least $60 more, which would give me a total of $80 for 1 week. So alright guys, see you next video. Hit that thumbs up button and have a nice day. Peace.